Geili Group, delivering end-to-end steel industry solutions under the EPC model. In-depth analysis for customized solution. Scientific evaluation and feasibility analysis for guaranteed success. Customized process plant design for maximum efficiency. Project initiation and allocation. Providing premium quality equipment following rigorous inspection processes to ensure full compliance with relevant standards. Expert teams, precision executed installation and commissioning. Bridge cultures with synergy-infused warmth into machinery. Resound the world with Geili's manufacturing voice.